to be moving to the unveiling, the official ceremonial unveiling. And let me just say this. Mr. Golding has asked me to apologize. He had a 2 o'clock appointment, and I think, Rev, you have one as well. So, yes. No, you have the whole, I don't know what is going to happen to you, your whole life mash up. Because you're around the country, but you're there from morning. Hope they give you like a chocolate tea. All right. So here, this is the order. There are 2 strings. Prime Minister and Minister Grange, you're going to be at 1, representing Mr. Golding, Wavell Hines, and Minister Charles. So we're going to ask you to make your way to the outside. They're ready for you. Thank you all for your patience. It's been a long day, but a very important day when we deal with legacy. Legacy of 2 outstanding Jamaicans. The rest of us are to remain in here. The permanent secretary is going to assist. The rest of us are to remain, and you to come up on the screen. Live audio, you might want to move this lectern so people can see what's happening on the outside on the screen. Thank you very much. Thanks, everybody. It's been a pleasure helping to navigate the events today. Thank you. Put your hands together for all the organizers. This didn't just happen so, you know, it took time. Thank you.
Stop the music, stop the music, stop the music. Stop the music. Music. Yeah. Sure. So amazing how this world was made. Wonder if God is a woman. Gift of life haunts me to this day. I give it up for this woman. I'm on a face, so take me to a
Can you give us another close-up of the name of the building?
and sorry on the rest of me.
Can you give us another
Strength
close-up?
of this woman.
Great, thank you.
Strength of a woman.
Visitors and guests are being invited for refreshments. Just go down and go through the gate. If you're looking in the direction, looking out to where the tent is with the audio equipment, go to that left through the gate so that you can be refreshed. Thank you very much. Sorry about that, Dwight.
That's
Sorry.
fine.
Go on and do your thing, my brother.